Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. David and Sarah are married couple and file a joint return. They co-own a retail boutique and share the profit and losses equally. So they both own the place. David manages the store full-time while Sarah works as an engineer elsewhere and does not participate in the boutique daily operation or decision making. Their business is not registered as an LLC. So they're not registered formally under a state. They would like to make a qualified joint venture election to simplify their tax filing. Based on these facts, how would their business be classified for IRS purposes? Okay, let's look at what we have here. Let's take out the easy ones. Can it be sole proprietorship? No, we are told they co-own, therefore sole proprietorship, because they're both co-own it, it's not sole proprietorship. One of them participate, therefore it's not a passive activity venture because one of them participates. So we're between two, a qualified joint venture or as a partnership. Now what they want to do, they would like to have qualified joint venture. Can they qualify under a qualified joint venture? Do they meet the requirement? And the answer is no. Why not? Because one of them don't materially participate. If we go back to the requirement for the qualified joint venture, and one of the requirements I mentioned, both spouses must materially participate. Remember, one of the spouses is an engineer and don't participate in the business. Notice here, Sarah works as engineer and does not participate. Therefore, the qualified joint venture is out. What's left is a partnership. It means they have to file a 1065. Each one of them will get a K1 and life is good. Now, what should you do? If you're using Farhat Lectures, you can ask AI to explain the topic for you, explain the correct and incorrect answer in depth, or create a similar MCQ to help you practice this concept again. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, whether you are an EA, tax accountant, CPA. No one can take that away from you. Don't shortchange yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.